So right now you can see the full cube assembled, and we're going to call each side of the cube A, making the volume of this cube A cubed. So next you can see the little cube which I labeled B. We're going to remove that. So the volume of what we just removed would be B by B by B, so B cubed. So we're going to take that away, and you can see what we're left with is the A cubed minus the B cubed. So that will be like 1/2 of your equation, and we're going to figure out another way of representing that. So you can see that what's left over is actually 3 separate pieces, and what we're going to do is separate those pieces and look at the volume of each of them separately and add it all together. Okay, so let's look at the dimensions of each of the remaining pieces. So I'll start with this little guy in front. So we're gonna look at this part, which I labeled as B squared, because if you see where it's coming from, this height was B because that was the B that was removed, and this dimension is also B. So the area of that front piece is B squared. And then what's this? So the full distance is A, and we took away a B. So this is A minus B that's left over. Okay, so I'm going to have it like this, so that it's a height of A minus B, and then the B squared is facing up. So let's do the same for this piece that's left over. And you can see I labeled the front AB because this distance was from the original A, and this height comes from the cube that we removed, so that's a height of B. So this area here is AB. And if we look at it this way, you can see, well, first just by comparing, you can see the height is the same as the B squared piece. So the height is going to be A minus B, and you can also figure that out if you look where it came from. The full height is the A, and then we're taking away the B part. So it might be easier actually to look at it from this side. Here's the A, and then we took away the B, so we're left with A minus B. There's that piece. And then let's look at what's left over. So the area of the top is A squared because this is a distance A. This is a distance A, so that's A squared. And then, again, we want to know the height. Similarly, if you put it with the other pieces, you can see it has the same height. So it does have a height of A minus B. And you can also think about, well, why does it have a height of A minus B? And it might be easier to have the whole thing put together to see that. So the original height is A, and then we took this B part away. So we're left with A minus B. So if you look at these 3 pieces that we just figured out the dimensions for, it's going to be A squared plus AB plus B squared times the height, and the height for all of them was A minus B. So it's just the A minus B times these 3 things added, which we said was equal to A cubed minus B cubed.